Hey, good evening. I got me a full-size Guinness beer here, but I'm also gonna follow it up with a Mini-Guinea. There's our full-size Guinness beer, and we'll be back with the Mini-Guinea. You're gonna need some Patron Cafe and some Baileys. Get yourself a shot of the Patron Cafe, and we're gonna add a little bit of Baileys onto this. And there's your Mini-Guinea. There you go. A real Guinness and a Mini-Guinea. Cheers and enjoy. Cheers and bottoms up with the Mini-Guinea. I'll even follow you up with a real Guinness. Cheers. Thanks for watching.